Today we are going to learn a Bento grids. This is the new design trends. We can build it using WordPress Elementor. Let's get started. So this is the Bento grids. You see there are different sections with different sizes. So first we can think as a column. Like there are 2 columns here and here, like 3 columns. So first we can take a big column for this and a small column for this one, and then we can start the design. So let's go to the Elementor builder and just create this column, and we can set is 70% and should be 30. Or like 33, 67. Okay, and we can use 2 inner sections here. Like this is the new column, and we can just duplicate it. Now this is the parent column. We can just set it as a row horizontal, so it should be like this. Now just check the size. I mean the height. It should be around 400 pixel. So first column should be 400 pixel. And you see here this column automatically going to longer. So we can use another 2 inner section, this container, and just duplicate also this one. Now we can set this 2 column height, like this one should be around 250 pixel, and the second one 125. So you can just learn the process and you can implement it as your wish for the design. So first we can create this design. We can set a border radius, border color, something. Border should be 2 pixel and border radius 40. 30 pixel. There have already default padding for each inner sections, so we can remove these parent column gaps, or we can keep the gaps, just remove the padding. And now we can make changes of this section style, like first I can create the shape. After that I can put the element on this section. So the border should be solid to picture, something lighter, border radius 50 pixel. Picture should be light. Let's give a darker background. Border radius around 30 pixel. Okay. we can remove the default padding. Okay. Because we already set here the height, so if we can use the padding, then the height will be bigger. Okay. And we see another section below. This should be taken similar to column, so I can just drag another container and put it, sorry, okay, we can use the tricks like we see here there are two column, right? So this column direction is horizontal, so if I can create a new column, so it should be go to the left or right, but it will not come to below. You see, it's going to the right. So we can set the column and just make it like that, and we can use it first below. Okay. And how we can make this three column horizontally? So we need to drag a different container, like sorry, you can just drag a different container below this, sorry, okay, below this section, and this container direction should be horizontal, and we can just drag it here, this three section. Okay, or we can use okay, I can use another two column on this section, and just now drag and drop here these two sections. It's something, it's a hard to position. Okay, I can bring it from the navigator. Okay, now it's working perfect, and I just delete this one. Okay, and I can remove the padding of the parent containers, these two. Okay, this one also done. Now we can drag another container, or we can just keep this on as single. It's okay. Just use border, something lighter. I'm not created it same to same. I just share the process how you can do that. Okay, up to pixel for better understand. Should be 30 pixel. The height is 400. Okay. And now these two column are left. Just drag and drop this another two container here and duplicate it. Set the height. Height is around maybe 500. 505. Okay. Solid 2 picture, something lighter. Third. And we can just copy this and paste it here, or we can just paste the style and reduce the height. Okay, so check it, the look already is similar. And now just put your element for the design purpose, and we can make the height something like 250 pixel. Yeah, it's what now. I can just put the background images for the similar design. I can just set the background image and make center. Now repeat color. Okay. Okay, I can just replace the background images, and now see this look. And it's easy to responsive. Just check the tablet mode and just use it 100%, and it should be wrapped. This. Okay. One of them should also 100%. For fixing the image issue, just reduce the height. Yeah, something similar. Okay. For the mobile, also reduce the heights. Okay. So turn and update. See the preview here. This is the main layout. So thank you guys for watching my video. Bye.